Let us do exercise 6.3. Remember, we still find a general solution. In this case, we're given okay, alpha is between negative 90 and 90. Okay, number one, cos 3 alpha equals to sine alpha. This is still easy. So what you do here, say cos 3 alpha, number one, by the way, equals to sine alpha. Okay, before we do, let me remind you of something. There's a little bit of a trick which you must put in your head or on your thumb rule. If we have cos x equals to cos 30, to solve for x in this case, what you need to do is say therefore x equals to 30. If you have sine 40 equals to sine x, to solve for x, you need just to say 40 equals to x. You're not dividing both sides by cos, no. Just say therefore x equals to 30. Therefore you can conclude 40 equals to x. And then if we have tan a equals to tan 60, to solve for a, therefore a equals to 60. You don't divide by tan. You don't say over tan, no. So you need to have that in your head. Let me delete that for space purposes. Okay, now let's solve this one. So in this case, we have cos on the left and then sine on the right. So at least if we can have both cos on the left and also cos on the right, or maybe sine on the left and sine on the right. What we can do here to find those things the same, I think if we can change a sign, cos, maybe someone is already guessing it, equals to, this is equals to cos 90 minus alpha. Yes. If we can put 30 here, say sine 30, we get an answer. And also cos 90 minus 30 is both half. Sine 30 equals to half, sine 90 minus 30 equals to half. You can also use another angle, maybe sine 60. You get the answer. So, cosine 90 minus 60, you get the answer. Or you can try with any other number. This is what I used to do in an exam. If you forget these things, these identities of sine, what is sine will be equals to, if you want to change it to cosine, you just guess these numbers and put a number here, and also say 90 and put a number. If it works, that means that it is true. Okay, therefore we have this cos. Oh, sorry. From that trick of saying if we have cos x equals to cos 30, x will be therefore equals to 30. If we have sine 60 equals to sine a, therefore 60 equals to a. If we have tangent of 45 equals to tan b, therefore 45 equals to b, so on and so on. So in this case, therefore 3 alpha equals to, so we are finding a general solution. Remember, when you find the general solution on a cosine, we have plus minus, right? So we put plus or minus 90 minus theta. Then we still have the plus k 360. I hope it makes sense. The k 360 from the general solution from these identities. Then 3 alpha cos 90 minus alpha from that. Yep. We'll continue 3 alpha. So this thing will have two solutions. The other solution for the positive, the other solution for the negative. Let's start with the solution for the positive. So we'll have plus 90. Positive times negative is negative theta k 360. Therefore 3 alpha equals to, sorry, so this is not equals to, it's plus, my focus. Okay, 90, we have 90 minus, let's just write, no, wasting space. Negative alpha comes to the left hand side, plus alpha equals to 90 minus alpha plus alpha. You add alpha both sides, plus k 360. Okay, therefore 3 plus alpha, this will be 4 alpha, you get that, equals to 90. This one will cancel out, minus plus. Okay, 360. Divide everything by 4. Then okay, let's just divide over 4. Therefore this becomes this one will cancel alpha, sorry. Then 90 over 4 is not 22. 90 divided by 4, yeah, 22.5. 22.5 plus that is 360 over, that is 90. K 90. Yeah, you divide everything, even k times 360, you divide it by 4. Someone will ask, we also divide 360. Yeah, we divide everywhere. Yeah, this is the first solution. And then let's let us do the other part. Remember, we did the part for the positive. Now let's do the part for the negative. So we have 3 alpha. This is where I'm copying this thing. 3 alpha equals to minus 90 minus alpha plus k 360. Yeah, this is where I'm copying it from. Okay, then let's try to solve this one. 3 alpha equals to minus 90, negative times 90 plus alpha plus k 360. Then alpha will subtract both sides. Then I have 3 alpha minus alpha equals to minus 90 plus alpha minus alpha k 360. This is 2 alpha minus 90 then plus k 360. If we were to divide everything by 2, we'll have alpha equals to over 2 over 2 over 2. This is negative 45 k 180. Yeah, okay, at this stage, so we have both solutions. This is the first solution, or that positive one. This is the solution for the other. I'm talking about this thing, the solution which we used the positive sign, we got that it was this, and then the solution we used for negative, we got it as this. Okay, now which were those values which falls into, where's that question? 6.3 says 6.3. Remember, we're told that like we're given this 90 less equal alpha less equal to 90. So we're looking for those values of alpha between negative 90 and 90. How do we get them? Let's say alpha is the element of those values. This is what we are going to do. Remember, for cos, we're dealing with cos here. K is the element of integers. Integers. What are those integers? The integers that are on the cosine, it will be negative. It is negative 1, 0, and positive 1 only. Otherwise, other numbers will be negative. Negative 0.9, negative 0. These are not integers. Or positive 0.5. Those are not integers. The only integers for cos it lies between negative 1 and 1. Right? I hope you heard this thing before. Even your teacher probably told you. Then what you're going to do, let's start with this. Let's go with this solution. This one. You got your calculator. Press 22.5 and you say plus and open bracket. Close that bracket. We're going open bracket, right? And on the bracket, let's put the first integer, negative 1. Close the bracket. Multiply that by 90. You get what? negative 67.5, and it is between the range, it's between this thing, between what you are given, between negative 90 and 4. So we're taking it negative 67.5. Then let's try to put 0. We get 22.5, so it is still part of this 22.5. Then let's put positive 1. It is outside. This is 1 to 112.5. It is outside. It's not between negative 90 and 90. So let's go to the second solution, this one. Press on your calculator negative 45 plus open bracket for k. We can put negative 1 for k and multiply that by 180. What you get? Negative 225. So it's not part of this. So it's not part of this range, so we'll lose. Then let's put 0 multiplied by 180. It is negative 45 is part of this, between negative 90 and 90. Now let us put positive 1. Positive 1. It's 135 is not part of it, so this is that solution. Yep. Then yeah, that is what it is. Put your questions on the comment sections. Let's go to part 2 of this video and do this one, number 2. Thanks.